Inside this video, I'll show you how to set up the agency for your client. So first, you're going to connect your Google Business profile. You're going to click on the connect the right account, click continue, check any boxes on here, and then click allow. Once you've done that, you're going to connect the profile. And the system is now going to look at the profile and it's going to go through and check everything that needs to be done, and it's going to score it for you. Click go to dashboard, click improve in GBP expert. This shows you the score, and in here it's a checklist where you just go through and you're going to try and score this as close to 100 as possible. Anything that hasn't been done you should do inside. For example, if we wanted to update the business name, I would click this and then click save changes. If I wanted to update the description, I would do this and I would make sure it was correct. Next, you're going to continue to scroll down. You don't have to score 100 here as an agency, simply because your client's going to help do that once we've set up these automations below. Click add agency branding. In here, you can put your agency name, choose your branding colors, upload your logo, and set your business URL. Once this is done, you will scroll down and click on Save Branding. Then continue to scroll down, click on Add Connector for your emails. Click on the email you want, connect Google, choose the correct email address that you want to use inside the system. Click Continue, click Allow, check any boxes if your email is set up. Next, we will scroll back up to GBP Expert to see what other automations we've got outstanding. I don't use SMS, so I will just click Don't Show Again. Then we've got 3 more here for our client portal. So we're gonna read all 3, set up the portal automations, click on it, and then create our client portal by clicking the blue button. This is where you open the client portal by clicking this link. You can regenerate a URL here and you can switch on security. The first automation is going to be setting up your rank tracker scans. Open the rank tracker here, type in our client's main keyword. Then we are going to click run scan and use 1 credit. As you can see, we're all green here, so we're not going to set up a schedule for this one. So we're going to zoom out. We're going to run another scan. As you can see, we're all green here, so we're not going to run a schedule here. We're going to zoom out. We're going to run 1 more scan. Now we've got something to work with. We want to get the client on the first page everywhere here. So we're going to click schedule. We can choose 7 days, 14, or a month. I'll choose 7. Click create schedule. This is now going to run a scan equal to this one every single week and put it into the client portal. Next, we're going to go back to the client portal to see what other automations are in the client portal that need doing. We've done the rank tracker. Now we're going to go to auto schedule client post generation. We can choose weekly or monthly. I'm going to have this go live every week at 9 AM on a Monday, and I want this to write 4 posts and put them into the client portal for my client to schedule. Next, we want to set up the image schedule. So when a client uploads an image, it automatically hits this schedule. I'll set it to daily at 9 AM. You can choose whether you want to queue after the existing schedule, or if you want it to start at the next available cadence slot. We can make that choice and then just click save settings, and every time they upload, that's done. Finally, you've got your email automations, which are your reminders that send out to your client every week. We'll put the client email in on the left here, and the email will be sent from the email address we set up, that we connected to the system. Mine, as you can see, is mike@3local.com. We can choose whether we want to send the email every 7 days, every 14 days, or every 28 days, and just click add. This will now send out a dynamic email every week telling the client exactly what they need to do to keep the client portal up to date, meaning you have nothing to do. It will post images every day. It will write them 4 posts a week and get them to approve them and click OK on the schedule. That's it. You just need to really build your client's relationship, and you're done. Thank you very much.